Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Curled up here with my monthly IPSY bags and my Splendies. I am super late on opening these, but I've just been way too busy to have any time. So I think this is the June bag and this is some extras that I ordered. So let's see what it is. This one I peeked in just to see what it was because I was confused when I got it. And then I was like, oh yeah, I ordered some little, I think it's a eyeshadow palette. Well, that's a tight little knot there. Okay. Let's see what it is. Now I got some brushes because I totally needed those. I can't even read that. And we got jeez Louise. Alright, we got Soiree eyeshadow collection. Let's see what colors they are. Shiny. Ooh. And another brand name that I am not even gonna try to say. Oh wow. I am loving that. Those are nice. Alright. I have to try some of that. Now let's get into this huge bag. Get more of the refreshments, cleansing face wipes. Nice. And here's another razor head. I've actually really been liking that razor that came with this refreshment subscription. I was thinking about canceling it, and then I used it and I was like, oh wow, I really like this. And I actually also really liked a bunch of the other stuff that came in my IPSY bag last time. This tinted moisturizer has been working out amazing for me. Antidotes, it's called. Can you read it? And this mascara, Aoki. Oh my god. It's interesting and adorable in this little tube, but oh my god, I don't know, the wand and the formula have just been amazing on my eyelashes lately. Also this leave-in conditioner, Tres Soleil, it smells amazing. And it's like almost already gone because I've been using it like every other time I shower. And then oh, the Anastasia eye primer. It's changed my eyeshadow game completely. So just saying, just wanted y'all to know that to me these bags have been really worth it. I don't know why I needed another one of these bags, but this must be what that refreshment subscription comes in. Ooh, Splendies got stuck. Oh, and there we go. So, oh, that's why the bag was so big. Good to know. The pièce de résistance. Oh, look at how cute it is. I knew it was gonna have a rainbow for Pride Month, and I just love it. I think there's something else too. Two other things. Ooh, nice. Look at this double-sided brush. Soft. And we got some B12 complex infused Essence face mask. Oh, it's got bananas all over it. Look at how cute. And this one says rose water. I'm gonna have to try those very soon. Alright, let's see what's in there. We got the Professional Super Setter. Let's get our little list out. That always helps us. Ooh, gift your friends a free palette. Share the beauty. It says, do you? I certainly do. Summer has arrived and there's no holding back. Open up your 5 new Glam Bag products, value of $50. Okay, so that is a Super Setter Pore Minimizing Spray. Oh, look at my cute little bottle. Let's see. Can you see? Do I have big pores? I think I kind of do. Oh. Oh well. Gotta be a little closer to that. Did it minimize them? I don't know. I should probably look in my mirror. I don't know. Alright. We have hand cream. Mercy Handy. Mercy Handy. Ooh, let's get that open. I need to see what it smells like. Well, not much. Doesn't smell bad. Very like light. Oh, help if I was putting it on the right way. It's nice. Very soft. Okay, and apparently the brush was part of the bag, but it didn't fit, although, I don't know, seems like it could have fit IPSY. And then we have this Pretty Vulgar. Oh, that's cute. I like the font. Can we see? Here we go. And this is Undercover Concealer. This concealer checks all the right boxes. It's lightweight, serum-like texture, provides medium coverage, so it's buildable and blendable. Well, we've already put on the setting spray, but I think we can try this. Let's see. At least it's kind of my color. I usually only use concealer and stuff under my eyes. Looks a little better. Probably could have put it on with the brush. Oh, and it says save room in your makeup bag. Oh wow, look at me go. Yeah, it's definitely providing a little bit of coverage for my bags under my eyes, or my hyperpigmentation, as I've learned to call it, because they be dark. Yeah, so apparently this is supposed to save room in the makeup bag by being double-ended, but maybe it could have just been a little bit smaller. Oh no, just saying. Plays nice with powder and cream textures. Oh, alright. Alright. Definitely feels nice. Can I cover that up? That's really my main concern. Well, I don't know. That bag felt a little underwhelming, but it was the 5 things. Well, this was part of it too, the masks. So, got the masks, the pore spray, and on to our Splendies. I had to hurry up and get to opening before I ended up getting another package. I didn't want to have to do 2 at once. Ta-da! What do we have this month? Ooh, pretty. Ooh, these would have been nice for the 4th of July. Somebody shouldn't take forever doing everything, and maybe she could have wore them. Oh, I love that pattern. I love a buffalo plaid. Oh, and these are cute too. Just a red, very lacy. And I got gray. I think these were some of the same colors Mom got. Maybe it was only one though that was the same as hers. That was everything I got from IPSY and Splendies. I would like to check out. Oh, there comes Becky down the stairs. You can always hear her running down the stairs. Whatever she jumps off of, it's a big thud, and then and down to the food bowl to check. Is it refreshed? Could it possibly be from 10 seconds ago when I checked it before? Maybe. Let's check again. All right, now, let's see, just a final thing for a little bit of fun. Maybe I can put on some of this eyeshadow. Are they labeled? Please be labeled so I know. Brow. Crease. Okay. Tapered blending. I don't understand what that means, but I know at least that's for eyeshadow and not for, well, who am I kidding? It might be for concealer, but it's not for the brows anyhow. Illuminator. Okay. I think that's for concealer. Okay, I don't know. Let's just try this one. Did I get the little plastic off of it? Apparently not. Okay, let's see. I want some pink to go with my adorable sweatshirt from 24 Piece. Definitely got in that crease. That's actually really popping, really bright. Oh, you know what? I should have put on that primer first. Maybe I can do that with the other eye. We can see if it looks any better. All right, and I don't know how to do like a layered look or anything, so that's what you get. Ooh. It definitely matches. You can barely see it with my hooded eye, but it matches. All right, got that Anastasia eye primer. It comes out a little fast too, I've learned. And you know, I definitely practice some makeup faux pas where I put a lot of this stuff on with my fingers, so sorry in advance to anyone that bothers. And clearly it's come out so fast before and poured everywhere. We've got way too much there. Let me wish I could put it back into the bottle instead of wasting it. And let me use the mirror instead of the camera. It sounds like I heard another kitty jump down. Now that I've gotten it all over my eye, can wipe it in a little bit. And disastrous. That's okay though. We're gonna fix it. I should be using some sort of brush. Okay, that's better. Now, on to the other one I was using. Where did you go? Is this it? Crease. Found it. It's really good. It's not falling out all over the place. It's definitely a little more orangey looking in real life than the pink. I think that it's popping off from my sweatshirt. But it's definitely nice. And I definitely like all the colors are shiny. Well, yeah, I definitely feel like it made it a little bit more standout-ish. What do you guys think? I don't know. I liked everything that came in my IPSY bag. Hopefully I get to try more of it. Oh, you know what I should do? I'm gonna try this. Wipe this shit off. Let's see if these work. Because that's what I need to know. I need to know. Oh, well. Take out 100 of them. No, like, overpowering smell or anything. Let's see. Will you be able to take it off? Yep. Bye, Felicia. I don't know, though. Now I can't tell if it's all over my face. Oh yeah, that worked. Oh, and that definitely seemed like it was holding on to a lot more. It was a lot darker when I wiped it compared to the other spot. Alright guys, thanks for watching.